Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are powered and visible. Charge the watch to at least 50% and keep the phone above 20%. Turn on Bluetooth and location on the phone. The app needs both to scan. Once done, open the Hiwatch Pro app and accept permission requests, notifications, storage, and location, so pairing can proceed smoothly. You'll see the app enter scan mode. Keep the watch screen active and unlocked so it can respond to connection requests. You should now pick the watch from the app scan list. Tap the exact device name that matches the model number shown on the watch. When prompted, check the 4-6-digit PIN on both devices and confirm. This prevents pairing to the wrong device. Once paired, the app will ask to sync data. Enable contacts, notifications, and health metrics so features work. Make sure to grant notification access, otherwise call and message alerts won't reach the watch. Finish by allowing any firmware update the app suggests. Updates often fix connection bugs and enable features. Once updated, test notifications and heart rate sync to verify full operation. Restart both devices if anything stalls, then reopen the app. If problems persist, unpair in Bluetooth settings and repair from the app. Key troubleshooting tip: reset the phone's network settings or the watch's Bluetooth cache only as a last resort. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.